Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do a really cool card trick, and all you're going to need is a die and a deck of cards. Now, first I'm going to show you the trick like I do always. Here it goes. This trick is called the mystical die trick. I can read your mind. I'm a mind reader that pretty much says it all. What I'm going to do for you is I'm going to make 3 piles, alright? Or 4 piles. That's what I meant to say, 4. So there's 4 piles there. Here, I'll put them this way so you can actually see them. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, so 4 piles, right? Now, what I want you to do is I want you to roll the die, but since you're not here, I will. So if you roll the die, it's a 6. I'm going to count 6 simply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I flip up the top card. It says, I predicted this, which I did. Now, pretty confused? Yeah, I would be too. And this dice isn't rigged. Well, this dice isn't rigged. Look, I'll roll it again. 1, 3, 5. That worked. Maybe I'll get 7 now. Confused. So now I'm going to show you how to do the trick. Basically, all you're going to do is you're going to get a deck, and you're going to need one card written on. You're going to have to put it on. You can put on whatever you want. I put on I predicted this, and I used the card that just came with it. I personally really don't care what it is. But you want to make sure it's always on the 3rd pile. So you start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. I prefer to go left to right, but right now I can't because my phone won't let me. So but now, since that card's on the top of the 3rd pile, they don't know that, but when all the cards are on top of each other, you just place them out, make it look normal, right? So you're going to take the die, and whatever they roll, 5. But you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, lift it up, I predicted this. If they roll a 1, then you can say this is why it's called the mystical die trick. Say it's a 1, you say I have to flip it over exactly 180 degrees, which makes it a 6, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3rd card, I predicted this. But say they roll a 4. It's only with a 1 and 4 you have to do this. All the rest don't really matter. Say they have a 4, you're like, this is what makes it a mystical die trick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it 180 degrees. If you look at that, it's a 3. 1, 2, 3. Flip it up. I predicted that. But say it's a 2, it's going to go 1, 2. I predicted that. 3. You're going to start on this side and go 1, 2, 3. Predicted that. 4. Like I said, you flip it over so that way it ends up being a 3. 1, 2, 3. If it's a 5, you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it's a 6, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and lift it up. Now I'll show you the trick again. See if you can get it now. So right here I have a die and a deck of cards. All I'm going to do is I'm going to make 4 piles just like that. Simple, right? I want you to roll the die, but since you're not here, I'm going to have to do it for you. So, simple roll. It's a 5. Now I'm going to count out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this trick's called the mystic die trick. I forgot that. But the reason it's called the mystic die is because since I rolled a 5 and it landed on this deck, I'm just going to, well, you don't have to do that, I guess. Lift it up. I predicted this. Don't believe me? I'll show you one more time. It's still going to be the card I predict, alright? Okay. 1 second. Okay, sorry, I lost my... Roll the die. 4. Now, since it's a 4, this this is the thing. This is how it does. I mean, you do this with any number, but what you're going to do is you're going to flip it over. Oh, would you look at that? It's a 3. 1, 2, 3. I predicted this. If you don't believe me that it's a normal deck, look. I can actually just jumble them all up here and get them. Just get them all for you. Just see, perfectly normal deck. Nothing hidden in it. It's all normal. And there you go.